How to archive all messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking that how you can archive all messages on Messenger in one click. So in this video, we will find out how we can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply long press on any chat which you want to archive. And once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on archive. So unfortunately, there isn't an exact way or direct button to archive all the chat on Messenger, so you have to do it individually. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.